Welcome Center, making room for everyone.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited.
Go to Code Red, prepare the fleet, and call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
When we figured that, that thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Then who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
It's got a Cosmic Generator. It's created a jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mute jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, whoa. What do you mean it's so bad?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
Okay. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I've been booking the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's Kate. Where's this Kate?
the odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was Kate, now there's Toast. This plan is going to
headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work out yet.
Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. And we will likely don't.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Cease to follow me. What is that noise?
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
Generator. It's the only way back.
There it is. We got the generator.
Rocket, anytime. Okay, let me try. I hate milkers. Well, we're here. It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, leave your star blasters. We have them contained, but not. It's
You are all heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? But do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You're lying to them. Now I understand.